One of the reasons why this shortfall is taking place is the big difference and gap between the sums of money for which we are budgeting and passing in this house and its actual utilization and reaching the message who are so eager for employment and who are suffering from so much poverty due to unemployment. Parachin. I am in sympathy with the observation made by the previous speaker because as one who has been connected with one of these boards, I have felt a lot of difficulties in expediting the work and spending the money allotted. I feel that the whole organization does require modification so far as the organizational aspect is concerned. It is none that the government's method of doing anything is rather slow and tardy. The procedure is very difficult and prolonged, and here we have to deal not with one particular section of the people or industry fixed at a particular place. The whole activity is spread over the village, long distances, and families whose condition the non-officials are in the best position to know and appreciate. Here the secretary, the deputy secretary or the under secretary is sitting in some office, or the deputy minister or minister is sitting somewhere surrounded by secretaries and deputy secretaries. He knows their point of view only. He is obsessed with certain formalities, etc. He is not obsessed with the condition of the poor people, and their difficulties are not released so much as the difficulties of the secretariat. That is the real problem, and that has to be tackled. Parachin. As a matter of fact, the question of having a statutory body has been hanging fire for a long time. The Khadi and Village Industry Board consists of a very good set of people who are very enthusiastic, who are people with missionary zeal. They have been doing this work all their life. They are on this board, but they find themselves handicapped because they cannot function independently. They are tied down by so many rules and regulations and all kinds of forms and formalities. We must trust these people who have devoted their life to this work. Their main aim in life has been to work for these people. It is high time that we made this body a statutory body. I understand that such a demand had been made by them, and I hear that even a bill had been drafted for the purpose. I would like to know why nothing has been done so far in that direction and why it was ignored. The government of India should take immediate action in this matter.